In the last video, we used select star. It showed everything. But in real life, we don't always need everything. Okay, so here we have the table, right? It has four columns: ID, name, city, marks. What if I only want names? I don't need city, I don't need marks. Only name, right? How we are going to do this? We will write select. I'm asking SQL, give me select name this column from the table name, right? From the students. I'm asking SQL, give me names column from table called students. Let's run this. It showed us only one column, right? That's name. So SQL gives you only what you ask. Now let's ask for multiple columns. So if you remember, let me pin this. So if you remember, we have four columns, right? Now let's ask for multiple columns. I want to ask name and marks. Separate the columns using comma in between. Marks from table called students. Let's run this. It gave us two columns, right? Name and marks. No star, right? Only what we needed. Now let's show you one more thing. Remember this one, right? If we started with names and marks, the name came first and then came marks, right? Now let's write the same query with little bit of difference. I am writing marks first, name after marks from students, right? Now let me pin this query. Let's run this query, the one that we written right now. Now see the differences, right? Let me hide this one. Now try to see the difference. In the previous query, when I write name first, the name column came first, right? And then the marks, right? But in this query, we written marks first. So the marks column came first. And after that only we are getting name, right? SQL shows columns in the same order you write. Okay. SQL is very, very literal. Okay. Now one more column. Let's write one more query. So we have what we if ask from what if we ask some column from SQL which don't exist in the table. For example, here we have ID, name, city, marks. Okay, let me ask for a column that's not present in the table, right? Let me run this one. It shows, right? Column, let me copy this error and paste it here. It shows SQL error column age does not exist because we asked for something which was not present in the table. SQL shows you only the information which is present, nothing less, nothing more, right? And also, errors are part of the learning. Don't be afraid to um don't be afraid if you get any error, right? It's just part of learning. Okay, now you may ask why we need to put columns name if we are free to use select star and we can get all of the information. Why to increase our work and type the names manually, right? So using star or asking for everything is good for learning, but not good for in real projects, right? Because if we are bringing all of the data that is not needed by you, right, and the table is huge, it is going to slow the process. More the data, more the memory it needs, more the processing it needs, right? And also it's not clean practice. We will talk this thing in detail in later videos. Okay, now I'm going to ask you something. Okay, I'm going to ask you something. This is a question. Write a query to show city and name from a student's table. This is a question for you. Okay, pause the video, write this query. Okay, and once you have written the query, play the video. Okay, I hope you have written the query. Let's start, right? So first thing that we write for this SQL will be select. We are asking what we are asking. City, these two columns, right? City and name. So let's write. We are asking for city, comma, name. From which? From students table. I'm asking from a student table. From students, right? Let's run this. So it gave us two columns in the same order that we asked, right? We asked in city first and the name after city, right? It gave us in the same order, city and name. Okay. Now you control what you see, right? From next video, we will control which row we see. Okay. So I hope you have learned something in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.